We're going to jump into qualification match 62, attempt 2, Electric Boogaloo, as we see CPR on the blue side with 2 pieces of coral on that level 4, sliding in a third. That gives them 15 points, ending autonomous period. Blue in the lead with a 7-point advantage. We see 56-83 making their way over to their coral station, that human player aptly dropping a piece of coral straight into their collector. They're going to line up. We'll come over to the blue side of the field. 35-88, the Talon has proceeded to place a piece of coral into their robot. It was originally into their collector. They'll look to pick it back up and attempt to grab it again. Meanwhile, on the red side of the field, we see the IRS coral in hand. Algae getting in their way, but they're able to quickly get another 5 points for the Red Alliance, bringing the score up to 47, though now there's only a 2-point difference between both of these alliances. We have rank 2 CPR on blue versus rank 5 IRS on red. This is a critical match for both of these teams to figure out how they're going to be placed within these alliance rankings. 35-74, High Techers aptly blocking 35-88 from getting to the coral station, but zip their way over the field, up and teeter a little bit onto CPR. Meanwhile, over on the red, we have a partially filled level 4 reef with a good portion of level 2 or level 3 already filled. It's fairly even at this point in the game. Red with a smidge of a lead with 73 points, 40 seconds left in the match. CPR changing their strategy. They're trying to get that algae up into their net. They have 2 already there, and they'll get a third. Each of those pieces of algae gets them an additional 6 points. As we enter endgame with 20 seconds left in the match, 35-74, High Techers elevated. We'll see if any of their partners are able to join them. Meanwhile, we do see CPR take to the air. They're swinging back and forth. All 6 robots crowded around the center of the field. 13-18, making it in at the last second. We'll see if the referees count that as a ascend as we close out the second try at qualification match 62. Here are your scores for qualification match 62. Red with the win. The IRS walks away with additional ranking points. We'll see if that affects their current average ranking points of 4.2. They should be able to increase that, but it looks like they're staying right where they are.